Wow, look at those clouds. They almost look like snow. Peeking through the clouds, there are the mountains. See the arrow pointing to them. We are getting closer to Barcelona. Oh wow, look at that beautiful view. We are flying over the sea now, and that's the entire city of Barcelona stretching out along the coast. Making a turn now, we can see the port and the industrial area down there. And finally, there is the airport. We are almost there for our landing in Barcelona. This is British Airways flight 478, arriving at 10:25 a.m.
A very warm welcome to Barcelona. The local time here is an hour ahead of London, so it's just coming up to 10:15. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until you see that the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. And when it's then safe to move about, just take care once again if you're opening the overhead lockers so no items fall out and cause any injuries at this stage.